Hello everyone, this is Almir, Victor Echo 3 Delta Alpha Lima. In this video I'm gonna show you what I have done with my Moxon antenna. As you can see, last night it was our first snowfall. It wasn't too bad, it was just about 5 centimeters. And actually this season it has been very good. Normally this time of the year we would have like much more snow than this, so it's not too bad. So a couple of weeks ago I was sitting out here, and I had my Moxon antenna set up, and with the tripod and the fishing poles and for the portable setup, and I was looking at, and the way it was, I said, you know what, I think I can use the trees to help install, and will be like a permanent installation. The only downside is that I'm not able to rotate, but it's not bad at all. It's about 13 feet high, and I have been making like tons of contacts, mostly from the west, south, and very odd days. Sometimes I can make contacts to east, and even east, like Europe, which is totally the opposite side. So yeah, it has been very good. I'm very happy with it. I think this will be my winter setup, and we'll see how it goes. Right here is the feed point. This time, I don't know if you guys can see it well, but this time I add a 1-1-1-2-1 balloon. I looked online, and there are quite a few videos about how to make one, and so I made that one. And actually I'll make a video how to make one. It's very simple, I really enjoy to make it. And yeah, so before I had just the coax cable running, like the shield, one running in one side, and the center conductor going to the other side. It wasn't too bad. It was, you know, the SWR was a little high than what I wish. And then after I added this 1-to-1 balloon, really improved quite a bit. It cut down the noise, the SWR came down, so it really did a really nice, he's doing a really good job. So here is one of the corners. It's right here. It's tied with the one of those big screw, the eye hooks screw, and then he goes towards that way to the house. So that's the only corner that I'm using the house to support. And then he comes down here, and he goes to that tree over there, and then from there he goes to the other corner on that tree over there. And so let's go upstairs and take a look at upstairs, so you have a better idea. Okay, so here we are upstairs, and this is the corner that comes from the house. And so let me zoom out to here. So, and then he runs from there to this corner here, and he runs to that tree over there, and there is the feed point in the middle, and then in the other corner. And then he comes down the coax cable, and he runs that way down to the basement. So let's go down the basement. I'll give a little tour. Right in the basement, so there is my desk, the chair, the radio. Eventually I'll get a better desk and a chair, but for now it's okay, because I'm not spending like tons of hours in here anyways. So that's the window where the cable comes from. And on this side here I have a bookshelf full of antennas and all the stuff that I keep, like wire, the coil antenna, the delta loop, and all that stuff. And so yeah, it works pretty well. and on this side here I have all my LED cubes projects. I love to play around with LED lights, and so I made some scrolling matrix scrolling, and the blue LED cube, and also the color one. It's 8 by 8 by 8 LED cubes. This one here was the RGB LED cube. It's pretty hard to work with, and then the other one is the blue one. This is just one color LED is blue, and so these are all the projects that I got online. Really enjoy to play around with this stuff. This one here I display in my window at the Christmas time. Is actually is a pretty cool. There's some pretty cool animations online. You can just download on your microcontroller, and it plays really nice animations. Actually, this one here I made out of ping pong balls, and yeah, so this is my shack for these days, and I've been pretty happy with. And yeah, so let's see how the frequency looks like today. So let's see how the SWR looks like today. And so as you can see, it's pretty good actually. The whole entire band is under 1.5. Right now is at 1.17 at 14,320, and as it goes down it gets even better. It goes to 1.1 all the way to almost at the beginning of the band, and and as you can see, basically the whole entire band. So as it goes down, it's still 1.1, and as you go up, still 1.1. See, right to the top of the band, 1.2. Return loss 21 dB, so that's not bad at all. I don't even need an antenna tuner for this. Victor Echo 3 Delta Alpha Lima. Victor Echo 3 Delta Alpha Lima. Roger, Roger. Thank you for the 5-2. I got you 5-7. 5-7 to Ottawa, Ontario, QSL. Roger, Roger. Thank you for the 5-6, and have a good day out there. 73. 73, my friend. Victor Echo 3 Delta Alpha Lima. Roger, Roger. Thank you for the 5-9. Your 5-9 as well into Ottawa, Ontario, QSL.
Ottawa, Ontario. Thank you very much. I appreciate you stopping by.
All right, guys. Today the 20-meter band was not the best day yet, but I'm managing to do some contacts, and I was thinking, like, for some of you, if you have HOA in your area, maybe this type of setup would work for you. And I think this antenna is better than dipole, and this will be my setup for the winter. And but eventually I will get out there. We get some nice days here in the winter time, and I really enjoy to be outdoor, and I will be doing some operations, like portable operation in my car, and I really had a great time in the summertime. So and I hope to continue to do that too. And yeah, guys, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. 73.